What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel, guys. In this video, we're going to be checking out a pre-sale that is happening right now, that is ongoing, and it's still in its stage 1. From the looks of things, it is still in its starting stage, guys. So we're gonna dive into this one, guys. But before we go any further, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now in this video, we're gonna be checking out Doge Rush. It is a meme utility project, and I like what I see. I've been doing my best to find like pre-sale projects, new altcoins, new things to potentially, make more gains in the space, guys. And Doge Rush caught my eye. Right now the starting price is at under a penny, 0.57, right? And they've already raised $334,000 for the starting phase. So the project does have legs. When it goes to its listing price, it will basically be around 2x from this buying price. So once it gets to its listing price, it will be around 2x from this price, guys. So I wouldn't rule this out, because 5 days are left for stage 1 of the pre-sale for Doge Rush. 5 days are left. It has already raised $334,000. So the team, the marketing, everything that is happening for the project is super bullish, since they've already raised this much, and the listing price will be 2x. So if you get in now, right, and it gets onto the open market, you will already be up around 2x from this price, guys. So always do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But if this is something that interests you, be sure to check it out. Again, this will be shared first. This is shared first on my Patreon. Only patrons get access to this type of content first. I recommend the Crypto Elite tier, because everyone gets access to the Discord, but there's special tiers. Each tier has its own special traits, early access, exclusive content, patron only live streams, and I'll be doing giveaways and such in the future, guys. So support the Patreon, and let's get these gains together as we dive further. Doge Rush Gaming, gaining and winning in the world of crypto, the ultimate meme coin revolution. Welcome to Doge Rush, the unstoppable force in the meme coin universe. We're smashing boundaries, fusing viral internet culture and real world utilities. We're the first to do this, and who's leading the charge? Only the most iconic duo, Doge and Elon. Here memes are just about fun. They're about strategic financial growth. You could join the community. Dive into Doge Hub, turning playtime into paytime. Imagine playing Subway Surfers, Sonic Dash, and Temple Run with a thrilling twist. Your favorite internet heroes, Doge and Elon, are the stars. That's Doge Hub, our state-of-the-art gaming platform, where we're not just giving classic games a new face. We're changing the rules of the game. So it will be a meme coin that is super focused on gaming projects, multiple gaming projects. And like I said, it piqued my interest because of how much they've already raised, and I'm not sure if anyone else spoke about the project as yet, but it looks very interesting to me. Explore Dogewin, the ultimate crypto prize arena. Here's where things get really interesting. Dogewin, our second utility, is a treasure trove of crypto rewards, raffles, compete, and stand a chance to win enticing prizes. Doge Rush isn't just another crypto project, it's a revolution. We are not just redefining meme coins, we're reshaping the crypto landscape. So they will have multiple different utilities for this project. So it's not just a meme coin, it will have multiple different utilities. I'm sure the liquidity will be great, and who knows, this could be a potential 10x to 100x project, guys. It could be a potential 10x. We can't rule these things out. Now, nothing is guaranteed, obviously. Nothing is guaranteed in the space, but there could be a high probability of that. Just from looking at the website and everything that I'm seeing, it looks pretty bullish to me. They have a full security audit, pre-sale, 10,000 Telegram members, launch on DEXs, CMC, CoinGecko, celebrity marketing. Doge Rush aims to be an all main exchanges, partnerships with top tier gaming studios, expanding Doge Rush, and we have it featured on multiple different news article sites, some of the top sites, right? Partnerships with top tier gaming studios sounds very interesting as well. 100% secure. The contract is fully audited by CoinSalt and is 100% secure. Audit white paper, KYC, right there for you guys. Obviously, guys, this is on Ethereum. You could buy with Ethereum or USDT, connect your MetaMask wallet. You buy and then you will receive whenever it gets to the listing date, right? So right here's the Twitter, 22,100 followers on Twitter, and I like the engagement, 90 likes, 100 retweets. They're reaching out to fighters in the space, UFC fighters, guys. Right here, someone from the Doge Rush team. Stage 1 of our pre-sale is now live. Great time with Mo Vlogs and Lana Rose. Doge Rush. So yeah, guys, also have YouTube videos right here. Doge Rush winning in Web 3. Let's take a look. Make sure my audio is on point. One sec. Pretty nice stuff, guys. Absolutely nice stuff. Again, this is a meme coin project with gaming utilities, and they'll build out their utilities. But like I said, from the pre-sale, they have raised over $335,000. So this could be a potential 10x on our hands, guys. And whenever it does get to listing price, it will be 2x from where it's at right now at stage 1. Okay, so there has to be legs for this project for it to have $335 already raised. So if you're interested, be sure to check out all the links in the description. Everything Doge Rush and myself will be in the description. Be sure to check out the Patreon, guys. Please become a patron. Let's talk in the Discord and find these gems. Everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you know any other projects you'd like me to check out, leave them in the comment section. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.